If you've got intellectual property right complaints against your Amazon account, that means you're not following the ARP system about removing those IP complaints. Step number 1A, analyze the complaint. If it's an intellectual property right complaint, you really should have a lawyer doing it, and if it's a patent complaint, you certainly need a patent lawyer who understands design patents and utility patents to do the analysis of whether you did or did not violate someone's intellectual property rights. Step number 2R, seek a retraction. That's what Amazon tells you to do within the email that it alerted you to the complaint. You have to seek a retraction from whoever made that complaint. And step number 3P, plan of action. Your plan of action is going to indicate the results of your analysis, whether the complainant did or did not retract the complaint, and in your plan of action, why Amazon should reactivate that listing or reactivate your account. This is the way we've been winning IP complaints against sellers just like you for over 10 years. Analyze, seek a retraction, and then a plan of action, and don't skip straight to a plan of action. It's a huge rookie mistake. If you want us to help you get your listings back, if you want us to help you get your account back, go to AmazonSellersLawyer.com and submit your case 7 days a week. And if you like this video, click that subscribe button so you'll start getting all of our content, including copies of our 7 books to help people and companies that sell products on Amazon. And the 8th book is coming out real soon. AmazonSellersLawyer.com.